Hi, how you guys doing? This is Rich here on behalf of Rich TV Live, and as predicted, I told you guys on Friday that my secret stock pick, my secret extraction stock pick was Radient Technologies RTI RDDTF in America. As predicted, it is up big today, exploding up as we speak 17%. And the other stock that I've been talking about, but I haven't done a video on, I should have, is Tetra Bio-Pharma Inc. TBP in Canada, up 29% as we speak with huge volume. Keep them on your radar, keep them on your watch list. I will be interviewing CEO of Grown Rogue today in less than an hour, 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 p.m. Eastern. Stay tuned, get your popcorn ready. As your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, we bring in the winners. We bring them to you before they explode. I told you that Radient Technologies would explode, and I told everybody in my Telegram that Tetra Bio-Pharma would explode. Both have exploded today. Have a happy Monday. Have a money Monday. Stay tuned, guys. Tune into the live CEO interview with Grown Rogue. I'm all suited up. I'm ready to go in less than an hour. Your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace.